Assalamu alaikum student. This is comparison of fractions. It's comparison of numbers. Numbers in the form of fraction, p by q form, decimal fraction, percentage. So all these are fractions, all these are numbers. We have to compare them and write them in order. We have to write them in order from smallest to greatest. We actually convert all these in decimal form, then we will compare them. So let us begin with 3 by 4. We will go here with long division. 3 divided by 4. As 3, which is dividend, is smaller, so we write 0 with it. That is why it will be point. Quotient will be in decimal form. Because of this 0 we introduced with 3. Quotient, which is written above, is in decimal form. 4 multiplied by 7, 28. Now with the help of table of 4 we get closer to 30, which is 28. 7 times 4 is 28, so 30 minus 28 will be 2. And again this dividend 2 is smaller. We write 0 with it, so 4 multiplied by 5 is 20. Division is completely done, where we find equivalent decimal form of 3 by 4, which is quotient of this is 0.75. Then this is already in decimal form, 0.83. Now we will look at 17 divided by 20. We will do it also with long division method. When we divide 17 by 20, as 17 is dividend and is smaller, we write 0 with it. That is why quotient will be of decimal form. With the help of table of 20, we get closer to 170. Closer to 170, the number which is in table of 20 is 160. If we multiply 20 by 8, we get 160, which is closer to 170. It needs to be smaller also. So 160 is closer to 170, smaller than that also. So subtraction gives us 10. 170 minus 160 is 10. We write another 0. And 20 multiplied by 5 will be 100. So then we see that 0. Division completes. This it means is equal to 17 by 20 and decimal form is 0.85, or we can say 0.85. Next is 82%. What does mean by 82%? 82% means 82 out of 100. We can see that below 82, 100 is written. So for 10, which is on the right side, from right to left we say, on the right side there is 10. Corresponds to that 0 is this number in numerator 2. Corresponds to second 0, there is 8 in numerator. And corresponding to 1 there is nothing, so we write in place of corresponding to 1 we write point. So it means this is 0.82. 82% means 0.82. And this last fraction is decimal fraction 0.8. Now students, we can easily identify which one is smaller, which one is greater. We can decide about them all easily. So let's look. Which one is the smallest? One of them is 0.75. All the other are greater than that. So 0.75. 0.75 means 3 by 4 is smallest. Greater than that is 0.8. 0.8. Greater than that is 0.82. Greater than that is 0.82, which is 82%. 0.82 is 82%. Fraction greater than this is 0.83, which is exactly in this form, 0.83 given. So we write it exactly in the same form as it is given in. And then we see the greatest, which is 0.85. It is 17 by 20. So we can see it again. 3 by 4 means 0.75 is smallest. Greater than that is 0.8. 0.8 can also be written as 0.80. Then we see 0.82 is greater than that. 0.82 means 82%. Then greater than that is 0.83. Greater than that, our greatest of them all is 0.85, which is 17 by 20. So this is the order of these fractions.